Good morning, everybody. Starting off the full day of eating this edition. I'm in a cut, so I've got low calories, trying to make it happen. First meal of the day, got to get my protein in, starting off with some tuna and relish mixed with some water. Almost like a tuna salad. Pretty high in protein. And next, or along with that, I should say, I have some oatmeal. Everyone's favorite, oatmeal. So, tuna and oatmeal for breakfast, meal one. Let's go. All done with meal one. All right. Meal number two, 3 eggs. Time to get some protein in. Gotta stay hydrated. And of course, can't forget the carbs. So I got a little bit of a pre-workout snack here. 5 marshmallows. All right. Meal 2 done. Let's go to the gym. Post-workout protein shake. All right. Good protein. Good gains. Next, we're having some Chobani yogurt. So the macros on these are, where are we at here? 12 grams of protein, 14 grams of carbs, 2.5 grams of fat, approximately 130 calories. Let's eat. Gotta mix it up real good. Done. All right, next up, I have a turkey sandwich on wheat bread with some celery, of course. Got to balance it out. I don't have anything on the turkey sandwich, just turkey, good old meat, and wheat bread. Let's dig in. There we go. Meal complete. Celery is nice to have. It's hard to eat. Definitely drink some water with it. Really low on calories, so if you're trying to find something to eat, just get something in your system. Celery is not a bad option. It's got really low calories, like I said. Better than nothing. Alright, boys and girls, it's time for the last meal of the day. I saved one of my personal favorites for last. We're having a bowl, 2 cups of milk, and 2 cups of Special K cereal. No honey or anything on top. Gotta save those calories. Now it's time for one of the best parts. Gotta drink up all the milk. Oh yeah. There we go. Full day of eating complete. I didn't do too bad on the calories today. Carbs and protein were really close and the fats were on point. Calories just slightly under, but that's okay. When you're shooting for your calorie goal and your macronutrient goal, there's going to be a little bit of margin for error. If you're off by just a couple grams here or there, a couple calories, no big deal. Just got to get as close as you can to that number. Make it happen. Thanks for checking out the video and checking out the channel, everyone. If this video was helpful for you, please give it a like and subscribe down below for future content. And as always, get your protein in, hit your exercises, and make those gains. Check you guys out next time. Thanks for tuning in.